Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add payment method to funnel in GoHighLevel. This is an important step if you want to sell products, collect deposits, book paid appointments, accept service payments, or take payments directly from a landing page or checkout page inside your funnel. We'll connect a payment provider inside your account so checkout pages can accept payments securely. I'll show you exactly where to click and share quick tips to avoid snags. Once this is set up correctly, your funnel can process payments smoothly, which means customers can complete their purchase without leaving the page or getting confused during checkout. Before we start, make sure you have admin access and the login details for your payment processor. This usually means you should already have access to the Stripe, PayPal, or authorized.net account you want to connect. Also, make sure your business details are ready, because some payment providers may ask you to confirm information like your business name, email, banking details, or verification method. Sign in to your GoHighLevel dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Payments to open the Payments area. At the top, choose the Integrations tab. This is the hub for adding and managing gateways for your location. In simple words, this is where GoHighLevel connects with your payment processor so your funnels, order forms, and checkout pages know where to send the payment. If you don't see any connections yet, that's normal. This page populates as soon as you link a provider. So if your screen looks empty, don't worry. It just means you haven't connected a payment gateway for this location yet. If you manage multiple locations, check the location selector at the top and switch into the correct workspace so the integration is saved where you intend to take payments. This is especially important for agencies or businesses managing different clients, because connecting the payment provider in the wrong location can cause confusion later when you're building funnels or testing checkout pages. On the integrations page, click More Providers to expand the list. You'll see options like Stripe, PayPal, and authorized.net, plus other supported gateways. This is where you can choose the payment system that fits your business model, your country, and the way your customers prefer to pay. Pick the service that aligns with how you plan to charge customers. Stripe is a popular all-in-one choice for cards and wallets, like Apple Pay and Google Pay. PayPal is best if your buyers prefer paying with their PayPal balance. Authorized.net is ideal when your merchant account is with a bank or legacy processor. For example, if you're selling a digital product or service online, Stripe may be the easiest option. If your audience already trusts PayPal, adding PayPal can help reduce hesitation at checkout. Select the provider you want to use in your funnels. Click Connect on the provider you chose. A secure window will prompt you to sign in and authorize the connection. This part is handled through the payment provider, so make sure you're signing into the correct account and not a personal or test account by mistake. Follow the steps, confirm your business details, and grant permissions. When you return to GoHighLevel, you may be asked to click Connect or Confirm again. Do that to finalize the link. These permissions allow GoHighLevel to communicate with your payment processor, display payment options, and process transactions through your funnel checkout. If your processor offers test and live modes, be sure you're connecting the live account before you take real orders. Two-factor authentication may be required by your provider, so have your verification method handy. This could be a phone code, authenticator app, email confirmation, or security prompt, depending on the payment platform you're using. After connecting, the provider will show as active under Payments in the Integrations tab. From now on, your funnels and order forms can use this payment method at checkout. This means when you create a product, order form, upsell page, or checkout step, GoHighLevel will be able to connect that purchase to the payment gateway you just added. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Double-check currency and deposit settings inside the processor, then run a quick test purchase in a draft funnel to verify everything end-to-end. A test purchase is a smart step because it helps you confirm that the checkout page, payment processor, confirmation page, receipt, and any automation after purchase are all working properly. You can connect more than one provider if your business needs it. For example, keeping Stripe for cards while also offering PayPal as an alternative. Just repeat the same connection flow for each service. Offering more than one payment option can be helpful because different customers trust different methods, and a simple payment choice can sometimes improve checkout completion. That's it. Your payment method is connected and ready for your GoHighLevel funnels. From here, you can move into your funnel, add an order form or checkout step, connect your product, and start testing the full payment flow before sending real traffic to the page.